It sure has happened to you, or you do know someone who has one like this. It turns yellow and dirty, right? And when it gets like this, a lot of people just throw it away. But you don't have to do that. I'm gonna show you how you can fix this and even improve it. It will be even better than it was before. And best part, you won't spend almost anything. So look, here I got this case. It's my girlfriend's case. She has it for a long time and it's pretty bad. It even has sticker marks too. It's all grimy, yellowish, really ugly. And she was gonna throw it away, so I looked it up on the internet and I found this really cool tip I want to share with you. And for that, the first thing we're gonna need is crepe paper. Very cheap and easy to find too, alright? And this is very important. You're gonna pick a color you like. She really likes this color here, and that's exactly what you're thinking. Let's dye this case. And it's gonna be pretty easy. So pick a nice color. I'll use this purple. Here's the thing. Get a glass container and put it there. And we're gonna cut some pieces of crepe paper about this size. You don't have to use all of it, just a few pieces, okay? After cutting, go ahead and open them all. Put it back in the container. Like so. Okay, I already lined it with crepe paper, and now we're gonna add hot water, but it has to be really hot, folks. Let me put it here. Okay, water in. Now take the case and put it there. Use something to safely dip it all the way, making sure it's all submerged. Add some more crepe paper on top. Dip it well too. Now we're gonna cover it. Make sure it's well covered, that's important. And let's leave it there for about 20 minutes, okay guys? Let's wait 20 minutes, then I'm gonna show you. This is gonna blow your mind. Okay, 20 minutes later, time to open it. You can use something to take it off too. And look how cool it is now. Look how it turned out. Check this out, guys. That's crazy. Let me just rinse it. And you can see that the color doesn't come off in our hands. Check it out. Now I dry it, and look how cool it turned out. Nothing comes off. Let me put it back in the phone. Good. Also, here's our container. It has to be glass, okay? Because it won't stain if it's glass. I already cleaned mine, and it didn't stain at all. See?